Minecraft is one of the biggest games ever made. So naturally, I wanted to know, can AI actually recreate Minecraft from scratch? No game engine, no assets, just prompts, and whatever this thing decides to spit out. All right, let's see what we're working with. Yo, hold on. Why does this actually look like Minecraft? Like, seriously. We got grass blocks, we got trees, we got hills, we got fog. Bro, from far away, this genuinely looks like Minecraft. I'm not saying it's Minecraft, but if you squint hard enough, it's Minecraft. Okay, moment of truth. Let's test the movement. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. Now, the real test. The tree. Can I walk into the tree? Bro, I'm literally inside the tree. The tree isn't even solid. What is this? This is not a tree. This is a suggestion. All right, AI, fix the collisions, please. Because right now, these trees are basically holograms. Okay, the AI says it rewrote the collision system, improved player movement, improved physics, improved collision detection. Basically, it wrote an entire essay explaining why it's smarter than me. See if it actually fixed anything. Bro, I'm still inside the tree. The collision bug survived. How? How did you fix the collision system without fixing the collisions? That feels important. All right, we're going back in. Again, fix it. Actually fix it. Not emotionally fix it, physically fix it. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Movement feels smoother. The world feels better. I can sprint. I can move around properly. The trees are mostly behaving. So let's stop worrying about trees and start adding actual Minecraft features. First up, mining. If I can't break blocks, this entire experiment is cooked. Wait, hold on. I can actually break them. Yo, it dropped the block. No way. Okay, that's actually kind of impressive. We have mining, we have collecting resources. This is starting to become a real game. All right, let's keep going. Inventory, hotbar, building, all the good stuff. Okay, this is where things get dangerous, because every time AI adds a new feature, something else breaks. That's just how this works. But somehow, the inventory actually works. The hotbar works. I can place blocks. I can build. Bro, I have officially reached the point where I'm building dirt houses in an AI-generated Minecraft clone. This was not on my bingo card. All right, now I want survival, health, hunger, day and night, the full Minecraft experience. Let's see what happens. Yo, okay, that sunset is actually nice. Look at that. The sky changes color. The lighting changes. The whole world feels different. This is probably the coolest part so far, not gonna lie. For a second, I actually thought we were about to get Minecraft. Like real Minecraft. Then I kept playing, and I realized something. This game looks like Minecraft. It has Minecraft mechanics. It has Minecraft terrain, but it still doesn't feel like Minecraft. You know what I mean? It's weird. Everything is technically there, but something's missing. Still, the AI kept cooking. It added more systems, more mechanics, more features. The code got bigger and bigger and bigger. We started at around 400 lines, then 600, then 800, then over 1,200 lines. At this point, the codebase was growing faster than my confidence. But eventually, we got a final version. And honestly, it's not bad. We have multiple biomes. We have deserts. We have snowy areas. We have survival systems, mining, building, inventory, day and night. A lot of things actually work, which is kind of insane considering none of this existed a few hours ago. So, can AI make Minecraft? Not really, but it's way closer than I expected. And honestly, the fact that we ended up with a playable voxel survival game at all is kind of crazy. Although, I'm still not forgiving it for the tree incident. That tree knew what it did,